Oh my god. Oh no. Jane, he's gonna see me. I'm so embarrassed.
We have a huge problem.
What are you doing?
Don't worry.
The meat is in 2 minutes.
Honey, stay still. I must cut it. Relax.
Relax. I'm naked. Alex is around the corner. My boss is behind the door.
You nothing to lose, okay?
No, Umbrella, are you insane? Oh, I can't forget about my race.
Ladies, let's go, it's time.
We need 1 second, please. We have to do one yoga exercise.
Ah, I knew it.
Take a deep breath.
Okay, I'll try it.
I need your help.
Okay?
Can you hold it?
Do you know what I'm doing?
Yes. I will create you a fashion designer look.
Okay.
Hands up. Oh my god, it's even worse than I thought.
I'm so sorry. I freaked out.
Come on. Yeah.
Right?
Yes. So,
Looks good.
turn.
Okay. Oh,
Careful.
it's lie down.
Don't worry. It will be cool. Take it off.
Oh my gosh.
So,
Ladies, how long is gonna take? It's about to start.
give us a few seconds, okay?
Okay, but hurry up.
Save me and save me.
Don't worry. I know that you crush on him.
What? No.
Everybody knows. So, a skirt. I will cut and you slowly turn. Turn.
Jane, you're a fashion designer.
All for your
something.
best, honey.
Amazing. Okay, keep calm and relax.
Turn to me. I wanna do something else because I doesn't like it. I wanna make it more fashion. I know you wanna
I
rise.
don't know, what are you doing about it?
Don't worry, we have a few seconds. He told us.
He's gonna see us.
No, he won't. I know that. Hop. And the second one. Okay. Hand. Don't worry, don't worry. We have a few
I'm
seconds.
trying.
We're almost done. The final touch.
Have you ever done this?
Yes.
Looks good.
Oh, looking great, Hannah. You're right wearing this?
Thank you so much.
Nice.
You saved me, Jane.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.